Today, October 27, 2025, marks a monumental day in American history. After decades of gridlock, Congress has finally passed a comprehensive immigration reform bill. This is a complete overhaul, fundamentally changing how the United States manages who comes, who stays, and who belongs. For millions, from undocumented families to tech companies, this law is a game changer. It's the most significant shift in immigration policy since the 1986 amnesty under President Reagan. The old system was broken, outdated laws, agonizing waits, and families torn apart. The new law, the American Prosperity and Compassion Act of 2025, aims to fix these deep-seated problems with a more orderly, humane, and responsive system. What makes this moment historic is the bipartisan effort that made it possible, a rare coalition of moderate Democrats and Republicans. The bill's passage signals a break from polarization, showing that compromise on major issues is still possible in America. It combines enhanced border security with a clear path to legal status for many undocumented immigrants, modernizes legal immigration, and addresses family backlogs. This is the story of that new system and what it means for you. At the core of the new law are sweeping changes to green cards and deportation rules. An estimated 8 million undocumented immigrants now have a pathway to legal status. 5 years of continuous residence, a background check, and back taxes. They'll receive a provisional visa, then after 5 more years, can apply for a green card and eventually citizenship, an earned process, not amnesty. For families like the Garcias in Texas, this means stability and a future in the only country their children have ever known. Deportation rules are also overhauled. Mass, indiscriminate deportations end, with enforcement focused on those who pose real threats to public safety. Nonviolent, long-term residents with deep community ties are no longer top priorities for removal. Immigration judges now have more discretion, considering family ties and community contributions. For example, a single mother supporting U.S. citizen children may be granted relief from deportation. The goal: smarter, more humane enforcement, with deportation as a last resort. Millions will move from the shadows into the formal economy, stabilizing communities nationwide. The system now aims for common sense and compassion. The new law fundamentally redesigns the legal immigration system. Visa fees are standardized and, in some cases, lowered for families and students. The proposed $100,000 H-1B fee is gone. A new merit-based visa uses a point system: education, work experience, English, and job offers, to match immigrants with U.S. economic needs. Country-based caps are eased, reducing decades-long waits for skilled workers. Family-based immigration is modernized, clearing backlogs and reuniting families faster. The Heartland Visa offers a direct path to a green card for immigrants who agree to live and work in rural or depopulating areas for 5 years. This program aims to revitalize struggling towns and spread immigration's benefits beyond major cities. Legal pathways are now more flexible, responsive, and focused on both economic growth and family unity. The system is designed for the 21st century. The law tackles border security with technology and efficiency, not just walls. Funding modernizes ports of entry, installs advanced scanners, and hires more border officers, making legal trade and travel smoother while targeting criminal activity. The asylum process is completely restructured. Regional processing centers in Central America and Mexico allow people to apply closer to home, reducing dangerous journeys. U.S. officials can now vet claims before migrants reach the border, preventing humanitarian crises. For those who do arrive, the process is faster and fairer. Hundreds of new asylum officers and judges aim to process most claims within 6 months. Legitimate refugees get protection quickly. Unfounded claims are resolved promptly. This ends catch and release and restores integrity to the system. Imagine a journalist fleeing persecution. Her case is now heard within weeks, not years. If her claim is valid, she receives protection and a work permit to rebuild her life. The new approach upholds American values, a safe haven for the persecuted, managed in an orderly way. The system is designed to be both humane and effective. Asylum is now a process of hope, not limbo. The true measure of this law is its impact on people. For dreamers, young adults brought to the U.S. as children, it provides an immediate path to citizenship, finally recognizing them as Americans. A young woman who once couldn't work or attend college can now pursue her dreams and contribute to her community. The law also stabilizes agriculture with a flexible guest worker program, protecting both farmers and workers. Farmers can hire a legal, reliable workforce. Workers get fair wages and safe conditions. To address concerns about public services, the law phases in legalization and provides federal aid to schools and hospitals in high immigrant areas. Mixed-status families no longer live in fear. U.S. citizens can regularize their spouse's status without years of separation. This stability strengthens families and communities. Children thrive when their families are secure. The law is about more than policy. It's about building stronger, more resilient neighborhoods. Integration is supported, not left to chance. The benefits ripple through every corner of American life. This is immigration reform with people at its heart. The American Prosperity and Compassion Act has sparked a wide range of reactions. Polls show broad, though not universal, support. Most Americans favor earned legalization and smarter border security. Critics on the right call it amnesty. Some on the left say it doesn't go far enough. Experts, however, see it as a major step forward, comprehensive, data-driven, and addressing enforcement, legal immigration, and the undocumented all at once. Dara Lind, a leading analyst, calls it the most consequential immigration law in a generation. Economists project that legalizing millions will boost U.S. GDP by over $1.5 trillion in the next decade. Bringing workers into the formal economy increases tax revenues, raises wages, and creates jobs. Some warn that success depends on effective implementation, but the consensus is clear. This law puts America on stronger economic footing. The hope is that positive results will win over skeptics. Immigration reform is now a reality. Its impact will be watched closely. The American Prosperity and Compassion Act is a vision for America's future. It bets that a modern immigration system is a source of national strength. By providing a stable, legal workforce, it unleashes productivity and innovation across industries. The Heartland Visa and new businesses promise to revitalize rural towns and create a dynamic economy. Socially, resolving the status of millions fosters integration and safer, more vibrant communities. The law reasserts America's place in the world, showing that a modern democracy can manage immigration humanely and effectively. Implementation will be challenging, but the vision is clear: a system that works for families, businesses, and the nation. After decades of inaction, the U.S. has taken a bold step toward a future where immigration is managed, not a crisis. This is a new chapter for America, one built on hope, order, and opportunity.